You need in the blacksmith trade. It's all coming right off the island here.
So the exact time period of this setup right here would be what?
This is representing like turn of the century till up until the 20s.
Oh, okay.
But really all of your gear and mostly all the stuff you're doing in the blacksmith trade isn't really changing until people start driving cars and you go with business. You're mostly going to be dealing with horses. So horseshoes is big business.
All right.
And you're repairing wagons, sleighs, buggies, everything that kind of goes along with the horses, the transportation, and working on that.
All right.
That being said, you're doing whatever's needed. With all the safety gear, they wouldn't have been wearing earplugs or safety glasses.
That's asking for too much.
Yeah. It was a manly thing to lose your hearing.
The air's coming in on an angle. So it's actually purposely blowing it out.
Yeah, it's going through this pipe and then it goes in the bottom of the forge there. It goes into a little bowl. And this handle here, that's called the Turrier. It goes out basically to a little thing like that, and you can direct where the air goes. So it's flowing up from the bottom and side, straight up.
Oh, okay.
Plus, if there get clinkers in the bottom, all the impurities are coal, you can grind them up with that. And you got a little drop at the bottom there to let it all out.
All right.
There's a lot of impurities in this coal.
horseshoes.
Horseshoes?
See hanging on the wall behind him? That we were throwing up in the sand. It goes on the bottom of the horse's hoof.
And your rocks in the carrots?
Hmm?
And your rocks in the carrots?
Yeah? I bet the horses don't get rocks in their feet.
So there's those things. Something like hammer in the top of the fence post.